In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a QR code in your Eventbrite event. So to get started, you have to open your own browser and then input Eventbrite. And then click on the first link when you search it, and it will show you to the page of Eventbrite. All you need to do is log in into your account and then create an event. Then once you've created your event, like I did in this one, so if you want to create a new event, you just have to click create one in this button right here. But since I already create one, so all you have to do is just click on the events in this button. Then all you have to do is scroll down and click on your event. As you can see build event page, add tickets and publish. So I'm just gonna click publish and just have to click view, so it will redirect you to the event page you created. And once you're in here, you can now use this link to generate your own QR code. Eventbrite will not generate a business QR code, only to the customers who purchase the tickets. So you need a third-party account or QR code generating websites. So for this instance, I'm gonna use tinyurl.com so I can create my own QR code for this said event. And then after that, you just have to copy the event link and then paste it on here. After this one, you have to create your own alias. I'm gonna choose whatever you want and then shorten URL. And after that, you will just click on QR code, and there you have your own QR code to share. And that's how you create your QR code for Eventbrite event.